Alright, so let's talk about the topic root words. Alright, so for example, now you have the word rupt. This is a simple word that you can read by putting the sounds together. Rupt, right? But also to that, it is also a Latin word. This word is a root word. It has a specific meaning. Just by this base word alone that you can read phonetically by putting each individual sounds together. R, o, rup, rupt. Just by knowing that and knowing that this is also a Latin word, which is also a base word, which you're going to see when we add suffix to it, what is going to happen? It is going to change the meaning. But this alone gives us the idea that this is either broken or fractured. So whenever you see it in a word, it is giving you an idea that that thing might be broken or fractured. So let's take a look at some examples. Let's take a look at this word, rupture. Does it give us the idea that something is broken or fractured? I think it does. Now look at these words, right? This part of it is a prefix, right? So now we've added prefix to a root word. Now the meaning of the word is going to change, but it still will give us an idea of what the thing is because of the base root word. Cool? Now, does interrupt gives us an idea that something is broken or fractured? It does. Disrupt. But there and you can just disrupt my chain of thought. Now you just break my chain of thought. So, bankrupt also speak to the same thing because of the root word keep coming back over and over again. Now, this part is the next part of it that we need to understand. We have the base word and we have suffix. We talk about prefix not too long, but a suffix really want to focus on. But I did have to tell you all of that so that I could be able to come to that part now. So, you see this ion out of the n right also? That is a suffix, right? You see this ed right also? That is a suffix. And you see this s right also? It is also a suffix, which means we can add suffixes to the end of the root word or the base word, and then know what that do is to also create different words. It would be changing the meaning of the words them. But and that I really are focused on either. What I am so focused on is this tion. This is what we really are focused on. So make we zoom into that. So again, these are just a few words. And you see, we even have the same base root word that we talked about earlier. Rupt, right? But that's not the focus. Ssion, the tion. What really happened is that you have the base word, root word, which is rupt, and then you add the suffix ion. But when that happen, what really happen is that the tion says ssion, disruption, information, station, nation. You see the shan? I'm sure say you know somebody named Shan or Chantel or Shanake or something with Shan where you already can say. So this is Shan. So this spelling tion phonetically say the same thing that this right here say. If you put these phonetically together, you will get what this say, but the spelling of it is tion. Shan. This is shan. You can pronounce it that way. Some people say shan. It doesn't matter if I say shan or shan. We understand you. We know what I say. Some people talk how them talk. That's fine. That's very minimal. But if I say shan, I am sure that somebody will understand you. But what I'm saying is this. Phonetically, which means when you put sounds together, which means when you talk out of your mouth, the sounds when you put together is sh, a, n, shan. But the spelling of it, you better remember. You're going to have to remember this. Because, obviously, maybe you don't say, oh, this is shan. And maybe you don't understand it. Maybe some people do, but maybe you don't understand it. But if you call this shan, let me show you what you can do. Just watch. That's a shan. But this session, this session, this session, this session, all of them session. I hear the thing now where we not like. It have rules. Rules that govern them and how we're supposed to use them and follow them. If we want to spell. Not only spelling, it helps us to read as well. Because phonetically, we have to talk. And when we talk, we're doing basically as if we are reading these. Shan, 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 shan. So, people, that suffix for you. And with the root word thing, if you had suffixes to the root word or the base word, it also changes and alters the meaning as well. So, pay attention to shan. If you get any information about the technician where I do want electrician work, so pay attention to the rule. Cool shan? No shan. Station. And when you bathe, make sure you say your lotion. Ciao. Oh, and one last thing. But no, I'm saying by already. But don't forget, exception. You so much time to write it. Exception, 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 exception. Now, English is a thing like this. It have rules where you have to learn, but you also have to learn the exception to the rule, where in almost every case, there is an exception to every rule in English. Now, you have every information you need. You have number you can call, you can reach out if you need more help, if you need to book a private session, anything at all. Again, ciao. Bye-bye.